How to dropship on Etsy through Shopify in 2025. Dropshipping is a business model where suppliers and manufacturers ship orders directly to customers once a sale has been made in an online store. It works by a retailer partners with the dropshipping supplier. The retailer lists products from the supplier's inventory in their online store. A customer buys a product from the online store. The retailer forwards the order to the dropshipping supplier. The dropshipping supplier packages and ships the product, and the customer receives the product. Through Etsy, you can open a storefront and outsource the production of goods. Then you can source products from Etsy to sell in your own online store. The benefits of this is that competition for dropshippers is low. Niche businesses are warmly welcomed, and vintage or handmade items are easier to market. Lastly, curated customer bases are more accessible. Some of its drawbacks are high fees, rigid dropshipping rules, no wholesaling option, time consuming listing process, and low scalability. You can also dropship from AliExpress to Etsy, Etsy to eBay, Amazon to Etsy, and consider more alternatives. Make sure to navigate Etsy's community standards for best practices and compliance. Some consequences of violating standards are the removal of your listing, temporary or permanent suspension of your shop, which could ultimately affect your shop reviews and brand reputation. And that's it. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.